While driving on the highway, have you ever felt like you have entered a trance-like state? You must have been staring at the road, but it felt like you were driving almost on autopilot mode. It could be the highway hypnosis effect. Highway hypnosis is often referred to as the white line fever because the white line on the road can create a very hypnotic effect. So during this time, it is the subconscious mind which may be helping you drive your car. In fact, after you reach your destination, you may not even remember how you reached there. It's because the brain was not fully aware or conscious of what was happening on the road. Our reaction time is comparatively slow during highway hypnosis, which increases the risk of an accident. Hence, highway hypnosis is considered a form of distracted driving. But why do we even enter this trance-like state while driving? It happens because of automaticity. Think about it this way. While we are first learning how to drive, we think we're very hyper alert of everything, our movements, what are we doing, etc. So we try to do everything right. But once we get used to driving because of a lot of practice, many of our responses become automatic. So our brain stops putting that conscious effort. Now, when we take the same route to work every day, the brain may minimize the amount of effort it has to put and may rely on information it already has from our previous traveling experiences. Highway hypnosis can happen when a person is tired or sleepy, but it can also happen when a person is awake but just not focused or alert. Have you ever experienced this trance-like state while driving? Let me know in the comments below. I am Rohini, a psychologist from India, and I will meet you in the next video.